Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to dive into the fascinating world of ignition switches. We'll learn how they work and explore some essential maintenance tips to keep them in top shape. So, let's get started. Understanding the basics. To begin, let's understand the basic components of an ignition switch. The ignition switch is a crucial part of a vehicle's electrical system. It's responsible for controlling the power supply to various components, such as the starter motor, ignition coil, and fuel pump. How does an ignition switch work? Now, let's take a closer look at how an ignition switch operates. When you insert the key and turn it, the switch completes a circuit, allowing electrical current to flow from the battery to the starter motor. This action engages the starter motor, which turns the engine's crankshaft, initiating the combustion process. Key positions and functions. An ignition switch typically has several key positions, each serving a specific function. The most common positions include off, accessory on and start. Off cuts off the power supply, accessory powers certain electrical components without starting the engine, on allows the engine systems to operate. And start engages the starter motor to crank the engine. Maintenance. Now that we understand how an ignition switch works, let's discuss some essential maintenance tips to ensure its longevity and reliable performance. Keep the switch clean. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate around the switch. Regularly clean the area around the switch using a soft cloth or a gentle cleaning solution. Lubrication. Apply a small amount of electrical contact lubricant to the key before inserting it into the switch. This helps maintain smooth operation and prevents key sticking. Avoid excessive weight. Do not hang heavy key chains or other objects from your key. The added weight can strain the ignition switch and potentially lead to premature failure. Address electrical issues promptly. If you notice any problems with the ignition switch, such as intermittent starting issues or difficulty turning the key, have it inspected by a qualified mechanic. Ignoring these issues can cause further damage. Final thoughts and conclusion. Understanding how an ignition switch works and maintaining it properly are essential for the smooth operation of your vehicle. By following these simple tips, you can extend the life of your ignition switch and avoid potential problems down the road. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safely. Goodbye.